Hello everybody, how are you? Hope you are okay, and thank you for watching this video. This video is to help you use a tool that I have found in Google, sorry. And this is gonna help you with your pronunciation so you can work on your own and you don't have to depend on another person. So I'm in Google, okay, and I just searched for word pronunciation, okay? And then you have this thing here. This is not the phonetic sound, but it's similar to how it should sound. Let's click on the audio.
Worked, worked, worked.
And you can change it to American or you can change it to British.
Wet, wet.
The nice part of this tool is that you can see the lips. If you imitate how the mouth, the lips, and the tongue is being moved, okay, the better pronunciation you're gonna have. And you can change it to normal speed or do it slower.
Wet, wet.
After using this tool, what I suggest is that you practice, maybe take a mirror and look at your mouth if you are imitating, and then you have to practice. Because I am using the camera to speak on the video, I cannot use the feedback. But if you are not using your microphone, neither your camera, and you click on feedback, then you can practice and the machine will tell you if you are mistaken or not. That's nice, right? Okay, so I hope this is very simple. You don't need anything extra. You just need to practice, okay? Any word, any problem, you can check how it's the mouth moved. And if you don't like, or maybe the word doesn't appear because Google doesn't have all the words in the world, you can scroll down and you can have a look at some other videos in YouTube. Okay, so this is a pronunciation exercise that you can do on your own. You don't need a teacher. You don't need a dictionary. You just need to be patient with yourself and practice. Okay, so hope you find this tip useful and see you soon.